Welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain here. I welcome you all for CBSE Board Economics. Carrying on with the law of demand chapter in microeconomics, we have already seen what exactly is demand. Demand is the quantity a consumer is willing to buy at a given price at a given point of time. We have seen the demand schedule that was for one consumer, one individual or one household. So we can take it one household, how he responds at different prices over a given period of time. We'll take the price as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The price is increasing, his quantity will come down, maybe 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So it shows the inverse relationship. That is an individual demand schedule. That is, the different quantities demanded by the consumer at different prices over a given period of time or a household. Now we discuss a new topic, that is market demand schedule. What exactly is market demand? Market demand schedule shows the total demand in the market by all the consumers at any particular market, by all the consumers at different prices over a given period of time. At different prices over a given period of time. You may be wondering, there may be thousands and thousands of consumers in the market. How do we prepare market demand schedule? Here we assume there are only 3 households or consumers in the market. Household A, household B, household C. We take the demand of all the 3 households, we aggregate, we club them together, we sum it up horizontally to obtain market demand schedule. Market demand schedule shows different quantities demanded in the market at different prices by all the consumers over a period of time. So look at this one, market demand schedule. See, market demand schedule, price in rupees 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The price is increasing. Now look at the next one, individual demand schedules. These are individual. In the market demand schedule, you have individual demand schedule or the household demand schedule. Household A responds when the price is 2, his demand is 5. The price has gone up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. His demand is coming down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Household B, his demand also coming down 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Household C, another consumer, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. All the households demand less quantity with the rise in price of the commodity. Clearly shows the law of demand here. It applies in all the households. We take the last column here, market demand schedule. Market demand schedule here, market demand of all the 3 households, A plus B plus C. Horizontal summation of, we sum it up horizontally, 5 plus 6 plus 7, 18, 4 plus 5 plus 6, 15. So as the price is increasing in the market also, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the quantity demanded by all the consumers in the market is 18 at rupees 2, 15 at rupees 4, it has come down, at rupees 6, 12, at rupees 8, 9, 6. So market demand also exhibits the same relationship, that is the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. The price is increasing, quantity demanded is coming down. As the price is decreasing, quantity demanded is coming up. So here you got it. Individual demand schedule is the demand of one household, how he responds to different prices over a given period of time. Market demand schedule shows the demand of all the consumers in the market over a given period of time at different prices. How to obtain market demand schedule? By horizontal summation of individual demand schedules will give you market demand schedule. So market demand schedule is the demand by all the consumers in the market at at given price at a given point of time. Here we assume there are only three consumers, household A, B and C. Just add up the demand of all the three consumers, you get market demand schedule. So look at the market demand schedule here. It's given very nicely, household A, B, C. Just add it up, A plus B plus C. So what is a household demand or individual demand schedule and a market demand schedule? A household demand schedule is a tabular statement which shows different quantities of a commodity that he would demand at different prices over a given period of time. A household demand means the demand of a single household at a given price at a particular point of time. Market demand, on the other hand, is the aggregate of demand of all the individuals or households at a given price at a given point of time. Market demand schedule is a tabular statement which shows different quantities of a commodity that all households demand at different prices over a given period of time. It is the aggregate of individual demand schedules. Market demand schedule can be obtained by horizontal summation of individual demand schedules. Here we assume that there are only three households in the market, that's household A, household B and household C. Market demand schedule is the demand of household A plus household B and household C. So that's it. We have, to put it in a nutshell, in simple words, individual demand schedule shows the demand of a consumer at different prices over a given period of time. Market demand schedule shows aggregate of the demand of all the consumers in the market over a period of time at different prices. We can obtain the market demand by horizontal summation of individual demand schedules. That's market demand schedule. So both, whether it is individual demand schedule or the market demand schedule, they exhibit the same relationship. That is the opposite relationship. With the rise in price, the demand comes down. With the fall in price, the demand will go up. Inverse relationship. That's all we have time for today. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on our videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you receive future notifications and videos which will really help you for the present exam as well as the future exams. Thank you guys for watching. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye from Saddam Hussein. Bye bye guys.